Hey everybody, thank you for taking the time to check out Guarantee's website. Today we're going to go over a 2019 North Trail. It's a 28 RKDS. I love this floor plan. We've been doing great with it. We're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off going over the exterior. Follow me inside. Okay, it's real easy to see what I love about this floor plan. It's just the layout. It's a very functional layout. It's awesome for having big groups of people together and getting them together to hang out and have conversations. You've got the two chairs here with the big windows, and this is the side you're usually hanging out and camping on outside, so it's just cool to be able to see if the kids are out there playing. You can kind of keep an eye on them. Across from that you've got the couch that does fold out into a sleeper. You've got windows all over this side as well. You've got your booth dinette down from the couch with the freestanding table. And then here, this kitchen is incredible. You've got all this counter space, large sink, stainless steel. It's all one big sink. Oop. This additional counter space here, back to the 3-burner stove. They are using the new Furrion system that everybody seems to love. Lights up real nice. If we had some power, we'd show that off. Nice fridge and freezer here, Dometic. Storage, just all over the place. More storage here. As we look to the front, we can see our TV and entertainment center is up here. This will do DVDs, CDs. Down below that, this trailer actually comes with a central vac. That's pretty cool. Also comes with an electric fireplace. So a lot of great features. As we come in to the front of the trailer, we see we've got a Jack and Jill bathroom here, so we can go through either way. Great leg space around the toilet. It is a porcelain toilet. And then we've got a glass shower door here, so lots of room and easy to keep the water where you want it to stay, not on the floor. Nice sink, medicine cabinet, storage below. You know, if you look through the trailer throughout, the heating ducts are not in the floor. They're ducted into the wall. So it's nice for, you don't have to step on that grate or also be dropping dust and debris down in there only to be blown back out on you. Good storage over the whole top of the bed here. We've got hanging storage on both sides and then cabinets above. Very deep. As well as a nightstand. On both sides you have 110 power in case you need a CPAP or any other device. Down below here we have our hoses and connections for your central vac. There's also a barbecue that comes with this. And over there is our manuals and remotes in that box. I love these new steps. They are super stable. Everybody comments on them. They just love how they function. Come on outside and I'll show you how they go into the trailer. So when it's time to put these away, you want to make sure the door is all the way open so it doesn't catch on anything. And it's really easy. It just folds right into the space. It's truly that simple. To unlock, you pull that pin, bring it back down. That's all there is to it. So right now, we're going to close it up. On the outside of the trailer here, the North Trail does come with the wide track suspension. It also has a nice large electric awning. Down, we've got the outside speakers. Here is the outside kitchen. Everybody loves an outside kitchen. So you've got prep space here, sink with hot and cold water, electric fridge, and you're going, well, where do I cook? Well, the barbecue was inside underneath the bed, still in the box. It's a nice barbecue, and it actually comes with a hose, a quick connection that can connect right down here. So you've got everything you need with you here. On the back, we've got a really nice outside rack. Pull the pin, pop that out, do the same on the other side. This will lower down. Makes for a great way to carry your bicycles, coolers, firewood, anything like that. This is access to the refrigerator. It's your hood vent right there. And this trailer is pre-wired for a backup camera, as you can see by that plate up there. This is your water heater. This is where your removable power cord connects. And cable right there. We'll continue to the front of the trailer. In front of the wheels here is where our gray and black dump is located. Nice and high, tucked up in there with the frame. Great dump station. Outside, hot and cold shower here. Your city water connect, your black tank flush. As we move here, we've got our potable water if we're going to take it with us. Fill it up here. And this is the back side to your front pass-through storage. So the other door is a lot larger if you need to get larger items in here. And here's your power cord. Nice slam latch doors. So you just drop them and they'll close. Your 2 propane tanks and your electric tongue jack. This here is a place for where a portable solar panel is going to plug into. It uses the Furion system. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. If you have any questions on this 2019 North Trail or any of our other RVs in stock, please don't hesitate to get in contact with me. Have a great day.